Hello everyone, welcome to the Java programming example series, and in today's video we are going to see how we can take user input in Java. So in this today video will take integers input from the users. So I'm going to define classes. First I'm going to create the program. Okay, so I'm giving class name like read int value. Okay, so we are going to read integers value in Java program. Okay, so this is auto generated code. So taking user input in Java, there is one classes defined that is called as scanner classes. Okay, with the help of a scanner classes, we can take user input. Okay, so I am going to define the classes, and now inside these classes, we have to pass this system dot in. Okay, sys. Okay, system dot in. So a scanner is a class that is responsible for taking primitive data type input, and this is by default available in java.util package. Okay, so why is it giving error? Let's check it. Okay, so by is asking please import java util. Okay, so sometime by default util is important, but if be giving this error, so make sure you have imported this util package. Okay, so now after declaring or creating the objects, we are ready to take input. So before going to do that, let's create some basic steps like defining one integers variables. After that, we are going to define some prompt message system.out.println. Okay, println. Okay, we are going to show some prompt message that would be easy for user. Enter a number. Okay, fine. Then after, what we have to do, prompt messages we have prompt message we have already displayed. Then after, you can do some systematic way, like here we can declare a classes. Okay, then after on the num we're going to take the user input. So inside the scanner classes there are different methods available for taking different inputs. So suppose if you want to take integers input, then next you can see these are different method, right? Next integers, okay, next sorts, okay, find all this. So there's too many method, right? So but in our case we have to take integers input. So what I'm going to do, next int. Okay, just click on this. Okay, done. So now after this line, after this prompt message will be displayed, and whatever the input with this input, whatever the user will give the input, that will store to this variable. Okay, so next step is whatever the input we have got from the users, we are going to display. Okay, so system dot out dot println. Okay, println. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to display this value whatever we have taken from users. So output is, and then after using concatenations we can call this variable. Okay, so now our program is complete. So I'm just restating again, like first we are going to define some integers variables, then a scanner classes. A scanner class is responsible for taking any user's input that for most of the primitive data type like integers, string, float, like that, doubles, like that. So but in our case in this program we are going to take only integers input. So in this line number 13, we are going to print some prompt messages like whatever the input we have to take from the users. And then in this line, this is the important step where we are calling the next integers method that will be take only integers, not any other value. If you take or if you input any others type of data, it will show error. Okay, and after that, taking the user input, we are going to display the whatever the value we have taken from users. Okay, so let's run this program. So okay, yeah, okay, so you can see just this one. So you can see our code. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so this message done. So our cursor is blinking here, so it's ready for taking input. Whenever type input, so this line will be completed, line number 15. So let's hit the enter. Okay, then after hit the enter, the output is 12. Okay, so sorry for syntax errors, sorry, not syntax, like spelling mistake. Okay, so again I just a silly mistake, not a mistake, I'm just for notice. Like you can see cursor is blinking here. Okay, but it look better if the cursor blink here. Okay, just after message. So in this case, just instead of println, just you can use only print. Okay, if it write println, then after displaying this message, cursor will forwarded to or will move to next line. So that's why it will show here. Okay, but if you want to show here in this just after the messages, then it should be only print. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, so you can see our cursor is blinking, and next time we are going to write something 1000 or maybe something like that. Okay, so you can see output is here. Okay, so I hope this is very simple example of taking user input. You can explore others type of user input as well, what different type of data type, like how we can take string input, how we can take float input, how we can take float or double input. Okay, so in next video we will cover some others Java programming example. So in this video, thanks to till now, thanks for watching. Let's meet in another one.